Hey guys, so I'm a natural hair stylist, colorist, and extension specialist based in New Orleans, Louisiana. I don't know if you guys remember a while back, I posted my smoothing treatment client and you guys went crazy because her total was like $550 with her smoothing treatment and her haircut. And also a few of you were pretty pissed off that I cut her hair by her request, which is still kind of insane, but whatever. So I'm just coming back to give you guys a year update on her. So one of the reasons that it's important for me to show this to you guys is because there is still this weird myth that our hair cannot grow. The issue is not growth. The issue is proper and consistent hair care. So this is after her haircut, beautiful, bouncy, bobbing. The bob was given, if I do say so myself. Again, she got a haircut and a smoothing treatment, so that makes a huge difference. And she's continuously getting her smoothing treatment because it puts the hair in a reparative state. So this is her progress a year later. That is with her being consistent with her appointments, getting her trims regularly, and getting a smoothing treatment every 3 months. Drop a fire emoji if you love these